Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to handle URL query parameter in route handler. In practically, if you want to understand, suppose this is the URL and suppose after making question marks here, if I provide ID and here I pass ID 1, then we should have here the information of user 1. But right now we do not have the information of any user. Remember that I want to fetch here in this video. That is called URL query parameters. In previous video, we have learned about dynamic routes handler. This is called URL query parameters. So we want to implement this one. For that, in user directory, this one, I need to create a file route.tsx. Remember? So I have created route.tsx file under the user directory. Remember that? And same directory we have page.tsx also, that I have explained in previous video. Same label we have route.tsx because on user route we want to implement URL query parameter. So now in this file we have to make a route handler. So I say get, then I say equal to async, then here I need to create arrow function, then I need to export it like this, then I need to pass one parameter under this request parameter, and that parameter of next request type like this, and inside this I need to read this parameter which we are passing from the URL, like this ID I want to use, from there. So go to this and here I read this. So I say const ID. First of all, I need to fetch the parameter from the URL. So this ID parameter I need to fetch here in this get API. So for that I say const, I say search params equal to, I say new URL, and under this URL I need to pass request.url, that I need to pass here request.url, because from the URL I need to pass this, I need to you can say get this ID search param. Now I say const ID equal to search param.get, and here I need to pass the parameter name. Remember that parameter name is ID. If you have some other name, you can put that name under this cat, maybe name, maybe ID, maybe user ID, maybe anything, whatever you have. And then we need the same coding which we have implemented previously also. So I copy this same from here and I need to paste it, and you see that we have the same ID I am passing here, this ID data we are fetching, and for this I need to import this also. So I say next response, that I need to import, and I need to remove this extra one, save this, and you see that we have implemented URL query parameter in Next.js. It's very simple. Just we need to fetch this URL, and from this we need to get search params. From search params we need to get ID, and ID we have to pass in this, and we will have the information. Now we try to use this and I refresh it, and you will see that data is coming. If I say 2, because 2 ID is not available, it's a not found. If I say 3, it will display 3. If I say 4, it will display 4. You see it is working, and if I am not passing anything, that means it passing null value. You see, if I am not passing anything, then ID is null. So on the basis of null, it returning this information. Remember that, because I have created here route.tsx file, that's why this page.tsx file will not work. Remember that. I have explained in previous video also that page.tsx file will not work if we have a root.tsx file in a same route. So this file is useless now. It would not work here. Now route.tsx will work. So we have learned how to pass URL query parameter in Next.js. I think you learn it and you have now knowledge how to handle these route handlers in Next.js. If you learned something from this video, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.